Afternoon. Mr. Meldrew, is it?
Yes?
I won't shake hands. Dr. Mervyn Whale. I believe you're expecting me?
Sorry?
I just need to carry out a couple of tests, Mr. Meldrew. It won't take a jiffy.
In the middle of an allotment?
Got a couple of ticks, have you?
I haven't, no. Look, they found my prescription in the end. It fell out of a copy of Smash Hits on the waiting room table.
No, Mr. Meldrew. I'm not that sort of doctor. I'm from the Borough Council. Health and Public Safety Department. I thought my office had already contacted you.
About what?
Nothing you need concern yourself about, Mr. Meldrew. Nothing at all. Now then, this is the manure here, is it?
What are you doing?
You bought this from a gentleman last week, I gather. Black beard, long black coat, bit of a foreign accent.
Yes, what about it? What's the problem? For goodness sake, tell me, what's wrong with my horse manure?
No. Nothing to worry about here, Mr. Meldrew. You can rest assured of that.
Will you stop telling me I've nothing to worry about? You're making me extremely worried. What's all this about?
There's no danger of gamma rays or anything like that. You can put your mind at rest on that one.
Gamma rays?
What? It makes you wonder how these cowboys get hold of the ruddy stuff in the first place, doesn't it? I don't know. Of course, the stables have all been closed down now, just for the time being. They're not certain the contamination levels were significant, but you can't be too careful when you're sitting right next door to a nuclear reactor plant, can you? Well, this is just by way of being a precaution, really.
Nuclear reactor blood? What contamination levels? Contamination levels of what?
By rights, all of this manure should have been seized by the Minister of Agriculture. Not driven halfway across the country so any idiot could just buy the...
What is it?
Look at that. Where the hell did that come from? Looks like a piece of fairy light off a Christmas tree.
What are you trying to tell me? Is it dangerous?
Oh, no. You're talking a mere 4.3 micro curies.
Have I?
Oh, yes, well below permitted levels. Well below permitted levels. Although still more than normal. But, as I say, there's nothing you should concern yourself about here, Mr. Meldrew. Have a Mars bar.
A Mars bar? What kind of advice is that? I'm standing here with an allotment covered in radioactive horse shit, and all you can say is have a Mars bar? What am I supposed to do now, for God's sake?
Well, if I were you, I'd just forget all about it.
Oh, would you?
Yeah. I mean, it really isn't at all significant. It's just it's our duty to check up on these things, that's all.
Are you absolutely positive it's safe?
The radiation levels are absolutely minuscule, Mr. Meldrew. Look, you see this digital watch?
Yes.
I can get you one of these at half price if you're interested. But that's the thing. I've got a mate brings them in from the continent at cost. There's a ladies' model, too, if your wife fancies one. Look, think about it, give me a ring, all right? Well, bye then, Mr. Meldrew. Oh, for God's sake, stop worrying. You'll end up a complete nervous wreck.
That's right. Stop worrying.